I am so tired today.
Work was busy?
Yes, very busy. I sit all day. My back hurts.
Me too. Office life.
We need fresh air.
We need to go out. I have an idea.
What is your idea?
Tomorrow is Saturday.
Yes, we are free.
Let's go hiking.
Hiking? Really?
Yes, to see the sunrise.
That sounds romantic, but also very early.
We can do it. Early to bed, early to rise.
Okay, I agree. I want to see nature.
Let's set the alarm.
What time?
4 o'clock.
4? That is crazy.
Trust me, it is worth it.
Okay, good night.
Good night, honey.
Oh no, what is that?
It is the alarm.
Turn it off, please.
It is 4 o'clock.
It is too early. It is still dark.
We have to get up.
I want to sleep. Just 5 more minutes.
No, we will be late.
I don't want to hike. The bed is so warm.
Remember the sunrise? Remember the fresh air?
Yes, I remember.
Come on, wake up. 1, 2, 3, up.
Okay, I'm up. This is very hard.
You can do it.
Where is my toothbrush?
It is by the sink.
I cannot open my eyes.
Wash your face first.
The water is so cold.
Good, it wakes you up.
Do we have toothpaste?
Yes, use mine.
Thanks.
Brush your teeth well.
I am brushing quickly.
Look in the mirror.
I look like a panda.
You look beautiful.
You are lying.
No, really. Ready?
Yes, face is clean. I feel a bit better.
Let's pack the bag.
What do we need?
We need the flashlight.
Here is the flashlight.
Do we have water?
Yes, 2 bottles.
I want hot water.
The thermos is full.
Great. How about food?
I have some bread.
And some chocolate bars.
Perfect for energy.
Where is the mat?
The outdoor mat?
Yes, for sitting.
It is by the door.
Put it in the bag.
Okay, done.
Wait. Check the weather.
It is cold outside.
Wear your thick jacket.
Good idea.
Are we ready to go?
Yes, let's go. It is pitch black.
The city is sleeping.
The streets are empty.
I like this quietness.
Are you sleepy?
A little bit.
Do you want coffee?
No, I am fine. Driving wakes me up.
Look at the stars.
They're so bright.
We don't see them often.
Because we are busy.
I am excited now.
Me too.
How far is the mountain?
About 10 minutes.
I can see the mountain.
It looks very high.
Can we climb it?
Sure, step by step. Are you ready to climb?
Yes, let's start now.
Let's walk slowly first.
Good idea. Just warm up.
We can speed up later.
When our bodies adapt.
This feels really good.
The air is so fresh.
It makes me relax.
Do you remember last time?
Our last hiking trip?
It was a long time ago.
Too long. I missed this.
Me too. Nature is great.
Use the flashlight here.
The path is steep. Wait for me, please.
Are you okay?
My legs hurt. I am out of breath.
Take a deep breath.
Can we stop?
Let's rest for a minute.
Drink some water.
Thanks.
I want to go back.
Don't give up.
But I am tired.
We are almost there. Look up there.
Is that the top?
Yes, just a little more.
Okay, let's keep going.
Push yourself.
I can do this.
Yes, you are strong. We made it to the top.
I can't believe it.
You did a great job.
We did it together.
I am proud of us.
Thank you for pushing me.
You never gave up.
Look at the horizon.
The sun is coming.
It is turning gold.
Wait for it.
Wow, look at that.
It is spectacular.
It is so beautiful. I feel so happy.
Is it worth the climb?
Yes, totally worth it.
This is a great start.
A start to what?
A beautiful day.
And a healthy life.
Are you still tired?
No, I feel energetic.
Let's enjoy this moment.
Yes, happy sunrise.